Hi everyone, this is Komal from Ashravad Jaipur. We are back with our all new collections in woolens. All the designs we are showing are all in woolens. For any orders or queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. First of all, we have very limited collections and very limited stock in that. So please book fast. So let's start with our first design. For orders and queries, contact us on 960-2265-888. Also, I would like to tell you we have opened a new store on Tonk Road. Bhabhi, uska kaat do. Please visit our store. We have many new collections. We have wedding wear collections also there. I am showing the details. Rahul, please show the details. I am showing the details of the new store. Please, you all must visit. There we have much more collections for wedding wears like Indo-Westerns, lehengas. Also, we have imported Western wears over there. So please, you all must visit over there. It's a must-visit store. You would definitely love once you go there. You will fall in love with the collections. It's all different from this store. So please go. So now, would like to show you the woolen collections. This is a quad set in woolen. Just see the design, see the print, see the cut works on the sleeves. And this is the palazzo pant with this. See the pants. The pants have also got this cut work. So this is a quad set in woolen. Very smart. Sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is only 2595. Only 2595 is the price for this. Now we have second design in this. This is again a cutwork top in woolen fabric. These are very smart for winter wears. I'll show you. Just have a look at like this. This looks very smart after wearing. This is a smart look quad set. This is a cutwork pants, palazzo pants with the top. Sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is 2595. We have another design in quad set. Just have a look at the print. This is a beautiful print in woolen. Just see the print. This is the back. These are very nice woolen wear quad sets. I am definitely in love with these and once you buy, you all will fall in love. See the palazzo pants. See the printing. Both sides print. This is the top shirt. Again, sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is 2595 only. Very nice soft woolen wear fabric. Now I'll show you the suits. Woolen suits. This is a woolen suit. Just see the embroidery. See the buttons in the center. See the sleeves. Full sleeves with embroidery. This comes with this woolen pants. Pants are also woolen. And see the dupatta. Woolen printed dupatta with this. See. In this sizes are 40 to 44 and the price is only 2695. Only 2695, 40 to 44 size. Now this is another design in woolen. Just see the embroidery on the neck. Just see the embroidery on the neck. These are the buttons in the center. Full sleeves with embroidery on the sleeves. This comes with this woolen pants. And see the dupatta. This is beautiful printed dupatta with this. Woolen stroll you can say. With these we have two colors. One is this maroonish wine color and second is this blue color. So two colors. Sizes are, we have 38 to 46 size and the price is 2895. 38 to 46, 2895 is the price. These are all very reasonably priced. So you have to book fast. As we have started selling in the store and we are getting good response for this. As the winters are about to start. See the print. Now this is again a woolen wear. This is a winter suit with this handwork on the neck. See this nice printing. This is the pant with the print. And see the dupatta. This is again a stroll with this. In this we have sizes from 38 to 46. Sorry, 40 to 46 size and 2895 is the price. 40 to 46 size and 2895 is the price. Sorry, 38 to 46. 38 to 46, 2895 is the price. Another print. See the carry print in this. The carries are looking very nice, elegant. Just see the work, little handwork on the top. See the print. These are the full sleeve suit in woolen. We have woolen pants with this, with the printing on the pants. Pants are also printed in this. And see the dupatta. This is the printed shawl with this. See the print on the shawl. In this we have sizes from 40 to 46 and only 2695. Only 2695 is the price. Now I'll show you designs in the jacket wear like the one I'm wearing. Now all the designs I'll show you are jackets. This is a single jacket. This is only jacket. 40 to 46. In this sizes are 40 to 46 and the price is 2895. This is only Kani jacket. This is only Kani jacket. 2895 is the price. This is long one. This is overcoat style. See the length. This is overcoat style. This is a long jacket. Now this is a jacket style suit. In this we have inners, long inners, woolen, with these woolen pants, printed pants, and on the top is this jacket. So these are detachable ones. These have these buttons on the top, so you can wear it, open it. You can open and wear, and you can always close and wear. कैसे open हो गई? खोल के दो शिवानी. ये खोलो. इसका साइज बताइए. Like this. See, you can open and wear. These are these detachable jackets. You can wear it with the inner pants and jackets. In this we have sizes from 40 to 46 and only 2695 is the price. Only 2695 is the price for this. We have another print in this. Just have a look. This is the inner, warm inner, printed with these printed pants. And see the jacket. Again, this has to be opened from the top. So these are detachable ones. Inner, pants and jackets. In this, we have sizes from 40 to 46 and 2695 is the price. Only 2695 is the price. This is another print. See the inner. See the print of the inner. See the printed pants. And see the jacket on the top. Woolen jacket on the top. Sizes are 40 to 46 and 2695 is the price. Now this is another print. Just have a look at the inner. This is the inner for this. Printed inner. This is warm. These are warm inners. Warm pants with this. And see the jackets. I am just showing you the jackets print. See. These are the pants. Again, we have sizes from 38 to 46 and 2995 is the price for this. As this has got handwork on complete jacket, just zoom and see. This is all handwork on complete border of this. It is handwork, so it is for 2995. 38 to 46 is the size. Again, this is the print in that. See the print. This is the inner, warm inner with these warm pants And see the jacket on the top. 38 to 46. 29, no, this is 40 to 46 and 2695 is the price. 2695 is the price for this. This has also got this handwork. Color 2695, 40 to 46 is the size. Now this is an embroidered jacket. Just have a look at the embroidery. This is a beautiful one. This has got this black inner, black pants along with this. And see the beautiful jacket, embroidered jacket on the top. See the embroidery on the sleeves. This is a beautiful suit in woolen. Just see the embroidery on the sleeves, on the jacket. In this we have sizes from 38 to 46 and 3795. 3795 is the price for this. Just have a look. See the buttons in the inner. This is a beautiful one. Only 3795 is the price. This is another design with the embroidery. This has again got a black inner, woolen inner, black pants, and see the jacket, embroidered jacket with this. This is the embroidered jacket with this. In this we have sizes from 40 to 44 and 2895 is the price. 2895 is the price for this. Just have a look. These are very nice woolen wears. This is another design with the embroidery. This is completely embroidered jacket, woolen inner, woolen pants. These are the jackets. सब लोग प्लीज अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स कर दीजिए, लाइक कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए वीडियो को, और प्लीज कमेंट्स कीजिए जिसको पार्सल मिल रहे हैं वो भी, जो ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, जिनको नहीं मिल रहे हैं वो भी प्लीज मेंशन कर दीजिए कि उनको पार्सल मिला कि नहीं मिला. आपके कमेंट्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारे लिए. सब मुझे पर्सनली व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेजेस करते हैं, बट प्लीज आप मुझे वीडियोस पे कमेंट जरूर कीजिए, तो मुझे पता चलेगा कि सब लोग वीडियोस देख रहे हैं कि नहीं. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. It's very important for you people to just message me so that we are in touch. Just have a look at this embroidered jacket. Black inner, black pants, and this jacket. This is priced at 3295, 40 to 46. 40 to 46 is the size and 3295 is the price. And at the end, the one I'm wearing, I'll come out and show you quickly. Just see. Today was Sunday. It was so much rush at my store. So Sara store is full with the stock. Just have a look. Have a look at the beautiful piece I'm wearing. This is a beautiful pants. Just see. With this woolen kurta and the jacket on the top. Just have a look. See. With complete embroidery. This is complete embroidered. See, just have a look at the jacket. These all the pants have got pockets. All the pants have got pockets. So this is the suit like this. Woolen suit, very smart. 38 to 46 is the size and 3295 is the price. Just have a look. Pockets are there in the pants on both the sides. Just see. The fitting of the pants is very nice. The fitting of the kurta is also very nice. Just see. And the jacket on the top. 38 to 46, all sizes available, and only 3295 is the price. Thank you so much everyone. Please book fast and please do like and also give us good comments so that everybody knows that we are in touch. I should also know that we are in touch. Thank you so much everyone.